Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia all-in-one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. Upon popular request, I am going to show you how I make my classic lemonade. Freshly squeezed lemonade. It doesn't require much, just 3 ingredients: water, sugar, and your lemons. Now, I pre-rolled all my lemons on the table to enable the pulps to release all its juices. So I'm just cutting them in halves and slowly squeezing the juices out of my lemons. Lemonades are an easy, delicious, and inexpensive way to have a very refreshing drink at any time, any season. You have total control on how sweet or sour you want your lemonade. And that is just the best part of making lemonades fresh from home. Now that all my lemons are squeezed out, I am going to go ahead and strain my juices from my lemons. And I am going to add my sugar and water. Now, take your time when you add your sugar because you want to be able to gradually build your sweetness, not just put everything in at once, then you have to water it down. You want to try to maintain the sourness of your lemons also. That is it, y'all. My classic lemonade. Very simple, like I said, but very refreshing. Give it a try. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. I pour me some over ice and it's looking beautiful. Nice and cold. You see the way the glass is sweating? That's how a lemonade should be consumed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel and would like to be part of this all-in-one team, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will be amongst the first to get notified whenever I upload a video.